Track Raid.
Hey y'all, Kendra here, and in this video today I'm going to be showing y'all how to roll some CBD pre-roll cones with some hemp flower. Step 1, grab you some hemp flower. If you need hemp flower, call me, I got you. After you secure your hemp flower, you want to get the hemp flower, try to break off as many of the stems as possible, and we're going to grind this hemp flower up because we want this hemp flower. This is what we need for pre-rolls. So we need to grind up the flour. Right here, some special sauce flour that I've already grinded up. I also have a little bit of silver haze flour left that I've grinded up. I'm gonna roll pre-rolls with these flours, as well as this Hawaiian haze flour. So I'm gonna grind up this Hawaiian haze flour, and I'll be right back after these short messages. Stay tuned. No, CBD will not make you high. It's not intoxicating, meaning it's non-psychoactive. Unlike THC, it won't get you high. You'll feel relaxed or in touch with yourself, but you won't get high. You'll feel relieved more than anything. If you suffer from chronic pain, seizures, anxiety, and many other illnesses, I would suggest you at least give it a try. Because unlike most pills and other medicine that you may be used to, CBD is not addictive and it's non-psychoactive. There isn't any known side effects that can harm individuals or pets. So this is our bump box here. As you can see, it's a nice box that I will be filling with cones. Bump box. This is a bump box. Firstly, we will take these. I have a CBD company. It's called the Honeycomb FL LLC. All my products are certified non-GMO, organic, and vegan. My CBD oil is full spectrum, 0 fillers, only 2 ingredients. The thing with most CBD oils, hemp is 1 of 5 ingredients listed. Companies have been fined hundreds of thousands of dollars because of ill practices. I would not recommend you buy any CBD oil from a gas station or smoke shop. In fact, in Utah, just last year, over 50 people became ill from CBD oil that contains synthetic marijuana, also known as spice or K2. I wouldn't recommend purchasing CBD oil from a company that isn't in the CBD business. Pre-rolls are amazing. They work extremely fast. This is a pre-roll. This is the end you light. This is the end that you smoke from. I would recommend these for a variety of people. Anyone with chronic pains, anxiety, seizures, migraines, nicotine, or other addictions. All my nicotine smokers, I would recommend you try one. If you don't like it, I will give you your money back. CBD may not be the answer to everything. For a free consultation, you can contact us today. Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos.